Hi my little friends, Irene George here. Welcome to my channel George's Little World. Today I'm going to share with you how you can blend alphabets to read a word. So by now you would have learned the sounds of the alphabets. If you haven't, please refer to my previous video on phonemes. I'll put a link on the video as well as in the description box below. So shall we start? Sun. Z, A, N. Z, A, N. Sun. Map. M, A, P. M, A, P. Map. Red. R, A, D. R, A, D. Red. Tub. T, A, B. T, A, B. Tub. Cow. K, O, W. K, O, W. Cow. Pig. P, I, G. P, I, G. Pig. Bed. B, E, D. B, E, D. Bed. Dog. D, O, G. D, O, G. Dog. Jar. J, A, R. J, A, R. Jar. Pot. P, O, T. P, O, T. Pot. Top. T, O, P. T, O, P. Top. I hope you all have learned how to blend alphabets to read a word today. So please keep practicing as it will be very helpful for you to read your books. So for more educational videos and for stories, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below for notifications. And also don't forget to like, share and comment. So bye-bye.